If you have a spare computer sitting unused, you can completely repurpose that standard desktop into a dedicated, high-performance network router. By overriding the existing operating system with mikrotik Router OS, the machine gains the capacity to manage complex VPNs, bandwidth rules, and network hotspots. To begin, you will need the target PC, a blank CD or USB flash drive, and a secondary workstation already connected to the internet. This diagram shows the 4-phase installation flow. We will download the software to your workstation, create the physical boot media, and then use that media to install the operating system onto the dedicated PC. Moving from a standard consumer OS to a dedicated routing engine gives administrators enterprise-grade control of their network traffic without the cost of proprietary hardware. Step 1. On your workstation, navigate to the official mikrotik software download portal. Look for the x86 section, which is the architecture required for standard PC hardware. Click the disk icon to download the CD image ISO file. Always verify you are downloading from the official mikrotik site. Using network software from unverified sources creates an immediate security risk at the very edge of your infrastructure. Once the download is complete, create your bootable media. You can burn the image to a physical CD or flash it onto a USB pen drive. Now carefully take that boot media and insert it into your spare PC while the machine is completely powered off. Keeping the installation software on an external boot drive ensures that the process can cleanly overwrite every byte of the target machine's original data. Power on the target PC. You will need to enter the BIOS. To force the machine to boot from your USB or CD drive instead of its internal storage, the system will load into the Router OS welcome screen. This text-based interface lists all the software packages available for your build. To ensure you have every feature available, press the A key to select all packages. Then press I to start the installation. When the prompt asks if you want to keep the old configuration, press N because we want a completely fresh, clean start. Confirm the final warning that your disk will be erased by pressing Y. Progress indicators will scroll across the screen as the software writes to the disk. The installation finishes quickly and will prompt you to reboot. Before you do anything else, you must physically remove the USB drive or reject the CD from the computer. If that media remains in the port, the PC will boot from it again and restart the entire installation process in an infinite loop. Once the media is out, press Enter to reboot. With the boot order finally cleared, the hardware will now confidently launch its brand new identity directly from the internal drive. After the reboot, the machine will load into Router OS for the first time. Log in using the default username admin. Leave the password field empty and press Enter. Your first priority is security. Create a strong, unique password immediately at the first prompt to protect the router from external access. Your installation is currently running in a 24-hour trial mode. To use the router permanently, you must select a license level. A free Level 1 license is restricted to a single interface, while Levels 4 through 6 allow you to scale from 200 interfaces to an unlimited count. While we've used the command line for installation, your future work will happen here in Winbox. This graphical tool allows you to monitor traffic and adjust settings visually. Follow us to the next video, where we will demonstrate how to establish your first Winbox connection. You have successfully converted standard hardware into a blank slate, secured, enterprise-grade networking engine ready to manage your infrastructure.